Welcome to Euron Plus, everyone. And what is this Euron Plus, by the way? So we have launched this particular edtech called as Euron, and link is Euron.1 with a single motto that we have to make education affordable as much as possible. If someone is trying to reskill themselves or maybe upskill themselves, obviously in today's world, in today's environment, you have to upskill or reskill yourself continuously. It's not just a one time game, it's a continuous process, and you will keep on buying a courses in some or other platform on a regular basis. But what if you all will be able to access each and everything with a single subscription, just like any OTT platform, maybe a Disney Hotstar, maybe a Netflix, or you can name any other OTT platform, where you pay just a single subscription and you will be having an access of all the content, whether it's a war-based movies, action-based movies, love-based movies, family drama, each and everything with a single subscription. So with the same tagline, with the same motto, we have created Euron Plus for all of you. So let me show you how Euron Plus works and what is this Euron Plus, what kind of advantages you all will be able to get, and how we are trying to solve a problem which is again a need for an hour. So let me share my screen, and here is a Euron Plus. You all will be able to find out Euron Plus over here. As you can see that on Euron we have a lot of courses, a free as well as a paid one. We have live courses as well. We have a dedicated project in a variety of domain, and we have books, and we have a self-paced courses, plus we have a chat GPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or Cloudake kind of a system. So where 24/7 you can clarify all kind of a doubts that you will be having, all kind of a error that you are going to get while learning something. Or maybe if you are trying to take an interview, maybe you are trying to prepare for an interview, maybe you are trying to build a resume, and many more things. I believe we all have been using ChatGPT kind of a things, ChatGPT kind of a system since a very long time, since I believe last year, right? And on every platform you go and you pay $20 per month, $240 in a year approximately. Now, why to pay to those platforms again and again? Why to pay for a courses again and again? Maybe a paid, maybe a live. Why to pay for a project again and again when you can get each and everything just with a single subscription for an year, and that too with a super affordable price. As of now, obviously this is a launch time, so we have a limited number of courses, free and paid, which is available on our platform. But going forward, very soon you will be able to see that continuously we are trying to add a lot of courses in almost all the technology, whether it's a data structure, algorithm, system design, web development, DevOps or ML ops, Gen AI, data science, data analytics, big data, interview preparation. Everything you will be able to see over here in terms of upskilling, in terms of reskilling, and that too with a single subscription, with a one single payment per year, which is again a very small amount. You will be able to access each and everything, and this is what is a Euron Plus. Apart from this, obviously you all will be able to get Euron Assist, which is nothing but a LLM system or LLM model, the latest one, the advanced one, which will be available to all of you, so that happily, without even worrying about a hefty amount for upskilling yourself or reskilling yourself, you will be able to access. And when we are saying that every courses, every stuff that we have over here, course, books, project, live, recorded, each and everything along with Euron Assist will be available to all of you in just a single subscription, single plan. Let me show you my learning. I already have a Euron Plus access. So if I'll go to my plan, I will be able to see everything over here. If I'm going to click free, so whatever is free, it's already available to me. Whatever books are available, paid or free, as of now, only free are available the time when I'm recording this video. But Going forward, you will be able to see a lot of paid books, handbooks, and many more things over here. Projects, again, everything is available to you. So this is where Euron Plus comes into a picture. Just pay for once and then enjoy for an entire year. Along with this, obviously, with each and every courses and projects, whether it's a live or the recorded one, you all will be able to get service support, or you all will be able to get even a certification, right? From our side, from a Euron, you all will be able to get a certification which you can use for your next job, maybe for your college placement, maybe for university admission, and so many things, right? Because certification is having its own value, and obviously you all will be able to utilize it, and without paying twice, just once, and everything will be available. Yes, you have an option to take a courses, take a projects, take a books separately. So if it is free, it's free. If it is paid, so yes, individual courses, books, all these things you will be able to buy with, again, a very small amount. But if you're going to take this one, problem solved, and you don't have to pay for an entire year, don't have to worry about the entire year. And I believe 3,000 rupees per year is not much, and this is why we are calling this platform as a Netflix of an education, so that you won't have to pay again and again, just once and enjoy. That's it. So this is what Euron Plus, guys. Going forward, I'll keep on adding lot of courses, and I'll keep on talking about this Euron Plus in my separate video. So stay tuned. Hope all of you are going to like this Euron Plus, and please show some love and support, because it's really needed, as we are new. We are not new in edtech, but yeah, it's a new platform. So obviously your support, your love is required to spread our news among a huge audience that there is something like a Netflix of education exists in this world. And yes, it's amazing, right? And it is going to be amazing. Believe me, guys, I'll make sure that it is going to be very lethal, very amazing and effective in your entire learning journey. With that, thank you so much, everyone. And just show some love. Thank you so much.